Okay, so does anybody have a fix to this? So say I'm using my gun or anything and I push down, it'll just randomly stop, and my right side, and this button right here, it'll just randomly somehow click. It doesn't even aim in. Say it don't work. And then you go to Google Chrome. It won't even click. And I'll go to Logitech. Alright. Watch, my hand won't even be on the mouse. I just randomly go back pages. Dude, does anybody have a fix for this? My mouse buttons don't work, and random things just randomly click it. I don't know why.